Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting pairing now. First, charge both AirPods and the case until the LED shows sufficient power. This prevents mid-process failures. Next, turn on Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and keep it within 1 to 2 feet of the case so the signal pairs cleanly. Once Bluetooth is active, open the AirPods case with the earbuds inside and leave the lid open. This triggers the setup animation on many devices. If nothing appears, make sure Bluetooth is discoverable and repeat the open case step. After the case is open, watch for the pairing prompt or setup animation on your device and tap Connect immediately. This links the AirPods to your account for seamless syncing. Then follow any on-screen instructions. Assign a name, enable Siri if you want voice control, and configure double tap or press and hold actions so controls behave how you expect. Once connected, play a short audio clip to confirm left and right channels and adjust device volume. This verifies microphone access and confirms every finalized setup by checking firmware or system updates. Install them to ensure optimal performance and battery management. Make sure both earbuds are seated and indicating as connected in Bluetooth settings. If one or both won't pair, reset the AirPods by pressing and holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then retry pairing. If audio cuts or dropouts persist, check battery levels. Move away from Wi-Fi routers or crowded Bluetooth environments, and restart your device as a last quick fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.